Attention, the life of your son is in danger, that he never eat this. A 12-year-old boy died of choking on this food that many of our children love. We are talking about circular sausages. This little boy did not run with luck when he died in a place in Sanlúcar de Barrameda, Cadiz, Spain, in 2013, where the little boy accepted this food that he was offered in a supermarket. The moment the child choked, he was with his dad. The doctors of the emergency service moved to the place and managed to revive him, after he fell to the floor with symptoms of suffocation. He was immediately transferred to the hospital door of the Sea of Cadiz, where he died. One of the biggest choking hazards for children under 3 is this food. Perhaps it is the way in which we cut this food for our son. The diameter of the sausage have a size that is perfectly coupled to the trachea of a child under 3 years, if the small does not chew and stays horizontal. This causes the trachea to be covered. Apart from preventing the entry of air, this will cause a very stormy effect, that is, it is very difficult to remove that piece of circular sausage. Even so, in these cases the Heimlich method must always be used. This method is used for choking cases. In this case and many other cases that have happened to children who are usually choked with food, which can be very large to digest, we recommend to all mothers that for the safety of children and to prevent them from being choked, the sausage vertically, in the middle, elongated, then cut the sausage part in several pieces so the child will be able to chew them perfectly without running the risk of choking.